Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a professional CV using ChatGPT. So let's get started. First, open ChatGPT on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap on the plus icon. Here you'll see an option called Create Image. Tap on it. Next, tap on the plus button again and select Add Photo and Files. This point, you can choose a picture of yourself that you'd like to include in your CV. Select your photo from your phone or computer and upload it. Now comes the most important step, giving ChatGPT the right prompt. Type something like this. I want a CV. Here is my information. Name Abdul Muggies. Work video editor. Study BScs at Air University Multan. Phone no +1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Address Multan, Pakistan. And please add more professional information as needed. Once you've entered all this, press enter. Now, ChatGPT will start processing your request. It may take some time because first it works on formatting the layout. You might see it adjusting the ratio, and at first your CV preview might appear a little blurry. But don't worry, just wait until the loading finishes. After a short while, your CV will be generated clearly, complete with your information and layout. Simply tap on it to view it in full, and there you have it, your CV is ready to use. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future tutorials.